Here's what I didn't pack for Laguna Beach 4th of July. I forgot my toiletries bag. What did I do? I went to Target. I am trying out Function of Beauty, the wavy hair. I just took a shower and it actually feels really soft. What's also nice is anything full size I can just leave at my parents' house, so there's like no waste happening and they'll actually be here the next time I come home. I got my friend Iskra's Saltaire product, the Suntal leave-in conditioner. I sprayed it in. My hair feels great. I know that I own a personal care company and I literally forgot the pH balance cleanser and pH balance wipes at home. You can find both at Target, thankfully. My mom actually always keeps this at home, but the bottle is running really, really low and my boyfriend and I both use it. I would literally rather perish than use a cleanser that has fragrance, glycerin, essential oils on it for vulva care down there, for any kind of intimate care. Next, I am trying out the Naturium, is that how you say it? Retinol body lotion. I have been using the Shani Darden one, really expensive, and so this could be a really interesting alt. Finally, on what I didn't pack for the 4th of July, my nighttime skincare products. This Naturium product is gonna be my alt on vacation. I used this last night. It's like a nice consistency. I felt like I needed more moisturization afterwards. I'm really glad I got the Pacifica vegan collagen. So on top of this, that's what I didn't pack for the 4th of July. I made a mistake, but those are all the things that I have replaced my everyday go-to items with.